humanda.
The blessed gathering of the Grand Iftar, but also to reflect on the profound significance of the holy month of Ramadan.
Jumeirahville subdivision is more than just a place to live. It is a place to grow, to learn, to worship, and to build a meaningful life. Ibrahim Casey, who is our marketing specialist, and
in behalf of more than 4,225 strong Coast Guard Muslim personnel, you are like a sultan or dato for strong Muslim personnel in the Philippine Coast Guard. Palapak!
Mga barko.
Mga driver ngayon, tas dapat ako.
Assalamualaikum. So, Grand Iftar tayo ngayon. Ano ulit tayo pupunta ngayon?
Punta tayo sa BRP Gabriela Silang, isang pinakamalaking barkong pagdigba ng
Pagdigma ba yun?
So, digmaan na mangyayaring kainan ngayon sa lamesa. So, sa Islam ganito, dito ka lang makakita ng boss na pwede mong utusan mag-drive.
gugas pa yun mamaya.
Wala, pare-parehas tayo sa Islam.
Saan inimbitahan tayo para magkaroon
Wala mo na.
sa area.
Tayo pala mag-i-speech.
Tignan mo naman ang nakaabang, oh.
Nakaabang yung mga.
Tapos ganito.
Ganito lang itsura natin.
Hindi ka pa nagmarong touch. Sama silang ano?
Hindi ko sinabi sa... Ha? Magkano babayad nyo sa akin?
Philippine Coast Guard Command Center, aboard.
Tama ko lang yung sa vlog.
Last minute.
Assalamualaikum. So it is my first time to experience na mag-iftar sa malaking barko kung saan sabi nga ng kasama ko kahit wala kaming ganun kaposisyon or hindi naman ganun kayaman, but imagine ito yung baraka na makapag-iftar ka sa ganitong gathering kung saan iftar na naka-red carpet ka pa at matataas sa mga taong kasama mo. At isa pa, nakakagulat na karamihan sa kanila ay mga taga-subaybay din natin.
Akbar, kadena na daw. Hindi ko rin alam eh. Hindi ko rin nag-gets.
Wala kasing reservation.
Walang reservation.
Oh my.
Say hi guys.
Formal program for the part one, we have the Grand Iftar. For the Grand Iftar by the chief, the program, I think we have to start the program at the sunset. We have to break our fast, and I think we have to start for waiting for the time and a signal for breaking of the fast. Yeah, let us we have now observe the colors, sound of the colors.
Mga nakatalagang tanong, humanda. Magpugay sa watawan. Lahat ng tauhan sa lapang magpugay sa watawan. Magpugay sa watawan.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah.
Tinda ng sweets, di ba?
Parang ano,
Alhamdulillah.
Maguindanao din to.
It's about to start our formal dinner. We would like to request yung nasa likod, because we are here just for the dinner. We can, pwede na po tayo magpila dito sa Bukolet Maklubi. Maklubi is a festive meat and a rice dish served upside down, often accompanied by colorful salad on the side.
This is a Middle Eastern food. It is called maklube, as already explained. Maklube in Arabic means just to turn. So it is like literally, it is turning upside down.
Pinapalo yan konti sa taas para bumaba. Ayan, mashallah. Magluba style pero Turkish. Turkish ang pagkaluto. So maglubi tawagin na pero magluba sa akin. So ito na yung maglubi. Tikman natin. Ang sabi mo nga Turkish, sa kanila nga iba yung version. Iba yung lasa. Lasang European, let's say. May pagka-carbonara ng lasa yung ano. Kaya parang na, hummus at ano. May tinapay.
The blessed gathering of the Grand Iftar, but also to reflect on the profound significance of the holy month of Ramadan, a time of fasting, prayer, charity, and self-reflection. So, to formally start the part 2 of our program, may we request Commander Coast Guard Ecumenical Chaplain Service, Captain Alikman Borowa, PCG, for his welcome remarks.
Bismillahi wa bi nasta'in wa ilayhi natawakkal. We are in the night of power. We call it Laylatul Qadr, the last 10 days of Ramadan.
Jumeirahville subdivision is more than just a place to live. It is a place to grow, to learn, to worship, and to build a meaningful life. It is a community where faith and modern living walk hand in hand in shaping a brighter future for generations to come. Ahmed Mikael, who is our marketing manager, Ibrahim Casey, who is our marketing specialist, and Red Jalal, who is our marketing officer.
Our shared destiny. And we honor you for that tonight. Thank you so much, sir.
Nugraham and his team. Thank you very much. From Brunei,
In behalf of more than 4,225 strong Coast Guard Muslim personnel, you are like a sultan or dato for strong Muslim personnel in the Philippine Coast Guard. Palapak! This is a symbol of power. Ito po sir, symbol power. Parang ikaw ay dato at sultan sa more than 4,000 Muslim Coast Guard.
to share back that symbol of power to each and every one of you. Because in my existence in this world, I never recognized power as part of me. I always consider myself just as a steward of talent, enabler of dreams of each one of us.
Assalamualaikum. Ito pakilala po.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you po. Thank you. So ituturing nila tayo ngayon sa barko. Basta pa. Ano yung takip na ito? Itong parang aluminum. Para saan? Init at lamig o ano? So, basta. Wow, ganda. Parang hospital lang naman ito. Looks like an airplane. Parang airplane na sa loob.
Mga ilang araw, sir? Isa sa pinakamagandang barko. 3 days lang.
Kaya pala magaganda yung mga nakasakay.
Matik na yun.
Okay.
So dito sa posisyon kung saan yung captain ay bawal na mag-video, kaya hindi ko na ni-record lahat yun. So bawal natin i-video. So sabi sa atin, binili daw itong barko sa France, kaya ganito bago ang design at may pagka-European design siya. So ayan mga taga Mindanao lahat, mashallah dinala sila dito.
Last one moment. Last.
Taga saan? Basila. Wow, mashallah. Taas. Tayo sa taas. So, andito tayo kanina yon sa driving. Tapos now, dito tayo sa taas. Loko talaga si Queenie, tutulak ako eh. Sir. Morning, sir. Good evening. Let's do Titanic here. And then I'm gonna push you. Titanic sana ka. Ano nga pala pangalan yun? Si Rose. Si Rose pala Jane dun sa Spider-Man. What the hell happened there? Yung takong yung takong yun. Experience kayo ng malakas na alon? Talagang malalaki. Humahampas na malaking alon. Yung talagang pumapasok dito sa loob, humahampas na alon. Di pa. Sa papanood yung mga malalaki di ba? Hindi ako pwede eh. Hindi ako marunong lumangoy eh. So pwede natin linawin, hindi naman siya barko na pang digmaan.
Hindi sir.
Okay, Coast Guard, anong gusto ay trabaho niyo?
More on maritime patrols, ayan, maritime safety, security. Yes, sir. And also sometimes law enforcement, nagamit siya.
Thank you sa pagbibigay ng safety sa atin.
Yes, sir.
Sa amin, sa ating bansa.
Was leaving to find myself. No signs when you had to go. And I know it ain't pretty when the hearts get broke.